Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today is the release day for Picket Fence Studios. This company is becoming one of my favorites, so I'm excited to share their new products with you. I have a Picket Fence promotion, so if you spend $25 or more in Picket Fence Studio products, I will add one of these cute little owl stamps to your package. So you don't have to add it to your cart, I'll automatically put it in your package, but it has to be Picket Fence Studio products totaling $25 or more. And you can pick one of these, just add it to your comments box if you have a preference. So I'm going to name off the names of the little stamps. So we have Sleepy Owl. She's holding a coffee mug that says, "Don't talk, I'm not awake yet." We've got Quilting Owl. BFF Owl is back. She's got that cute coffee latte cup. We've got Cool Dude Owl. He is so cool. And we've got Nerdy Owl and Princess Owl. I also have a free with 60. It's a My Favorite Things stamp set. You'll see it on the top right hand corner of the website. I'll also link it down below for you. You must add it to your cart to receive the free with 60. So let's dig in. So we've got this 3x4 stamp set. It's called I Love It. There's two sentiments in here. I don't like your face, I love it. And you are simply the best person I know. So it's a nice size for the front of your card or the inside. This one's called Santa Mischief. Super, super fun. So you get 3 Santas. This one's passing out little fishy gifts for the penguins. We've got sentiments, ho ho ho. Checking the list twice. Be naughty, save Santa the trip. Santa is near and dear. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Super, super cute. This one's called Inappropriate Christmas. So you get a lot of fun sentiments in here. Dear Santa, is it too late to start being good? The Christmas tree isn't the only thing getting lit this year. We Alvin love Christmas. Be good, or I'll text Santa. Just call me Big Papa. One day of coal is worth 364 days of fun. Let's be full of spirits this year. I heard gin, vodka, and wine are coming to the party this year. Get your fat pants ready, it's Christmas. So those are really fun. We've got a bear kind of winter. You get a lot of cute polar bears in here. And sweaters and scarves and hats. Super, super cute. And then there's some snowflakes in there. The sentiments read, "Hi there. I can't bear not seeing you any longer. You are on my wish list. I could use a big bear hug. May your cave be full and your winter short. I love you more than I can bear. Snow, ho ho ho. Family means everything." Super cute. Then we've got Crafty Mail. So this one reads, "There's a lot of craftiness inside. A giant happy mail. I'm sending this to you because only a crafty friend would understand. Licked this envelope with my spit. I make cards. What's your superpower? Must make stuff. Chocolate enclosed. You inspire me. Hashtag stay crafty. Love, peace, craft. Crafty life. And proudly made by hand." Super cute to have in your stash. This one's called Santa's Sleigh Ride. It features these cute reindeer. They are so cute different poses. There's a hat, a Santa hat you can put on the reindeers. There is an ornament, some garland, snowflake, a little ornament there, another snowflake. And the sentiments read, Santa did it. He let the reindeer out. Don't delay. Santa's reindeer are on their way. With a world full of Grinches, be a Rudolph, Comet, Dasher, or Blitzen. Every time you hear a Christmas bell, it means a baby reindeer has learned to fly. It's all fun and games until Santa checks the naughty list. Super, super cute. And then we've got this 4x4 stamp set. It's called Merry Christmas. You get this nice Merry Christmas and the reason for the season. Very nice. It looks like someone wrote it with a marker. And then String of Lights. This is a 6x6 stamp set. And these are really, really pretty. These little strings of lights. Dangle those in front of a window with some lighting in the background. So these will be like the silhouette in the shadow. That would look super, super cute. You could have a moon in the background. That would look really cute. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I like the little ornament dangling from the word little. And then y'all Christmas cheer. Season's greetings. They also have some new stencils. So we've got a 4.5, a 3.5, and a 2.5 size circle. So these are blending circles. So I'm going to show you on the 2.5. So you could use the negative or the positive. It'd be great to make a moon. So put a little two-sided tape to hold your little circle in place. And then get out your life-changing blender brushes from Picket Fence or your other blender brushes. I still have a couple of these in stock. These are awesome. They're super, super soft. Or you can use this to create a soft circle for your images. So I am going to tape this down with some washi tape so it doesn't move around on me. I'm going to use my Distress Oxides, Faded Jeans, and Broken China. I'm going to use the giant one. This is so soft. Oh, I love petting these brushes. So I'm going to use the lighter color first. And I'm just going to work so pretty. Beautiful. That looks really pretty. So I can use this to make a really quick background. Isn't that beautiful? So I have an image. Let's see, so we could see. You can put your image like that. And then a little sentiment. And then you've got a completed card. Isn't that cute? This is a not too shabby image. This image will be released this month around, I think, I'm not going to give you an exact date, but I know it's at the end of the month. So can't wait for that. So I'll have the links down below to the Picket Studio products. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. And US orders over 60 ship for free. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Thanks for shopping, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a great weekend, guys.